Over 60% of cars that hit 100,000 miles are dead within the next 30,000. Not because the engine gave up, because the owner never knew what to do next. Dealerships won't tell you this. Shops stay quiet because your ignorance pays their bills. They want you back in that waiting room, handing over $500 at a time. Today, we're exposing the 10 things mechanics quietly do to their own cars at 100,000, but never put on your invoice. Stick around for number 1, because it costs less than a tank of gas, and it's the single biggest reason some cars hit 300,000 miles, while yours is already falling apart. Let's get into it. Secret number 10. Cabin air filter, the $10 part that's silently killing your AC system. Most drivers don't even know this filter exists. It's tucked behind your glove box, quietly choking your entire ventilation system. I pulled one out of a 2017 Honda Accord last month. Pure black, packed with debris. Looked like it hadn't been touched in 60,000 miles. The blower motor was already straining. Another few months and that's a $400 repair for a $12 filter. Your owner's manual says every 15,000 miles. I say every oil change, no exceptions. It protects your blower motor, your evaporator, and the air your family breathes every single day. Pull it out, shine a flashlight through it. No light passing through? It's overdue. Don't overthink it, just replace it. Because what's coming at number 9 costs a whole lot more when you ignore it. Secret number 9. Battery and charging system, the hidden killer that leaves you stranded. With zero warning, batteries don't die overnight. They get weak, slow, and unreliable until the day you need them most. A subscriber named Mike from Ohio messaged me last winter. 2019 Toyota Camry, 102,000 miles. Left for work on a 14-degree morning. Car wouldn't start. New battery 6 months earlier. Problem wasn't the battery. It was the alternator, only pushing 11.8 volts instead of the required 13.5 to 14.5. 3 batteries later, same result. Nobody checked the charging system. At 100,000, don't just look at battery age. Load test it. Check cold cranking amps against the label rating. If it's rated 600 and only hitting 380, replace it. Clean the terminals. Kill that green corrosion with baking soda and water. Then test the alternator output with the engine running. Below 13.5 volts? Your alternator is starving everything connected to it. Do this check once. Save yourself months of headaches. Number 8 is something mechanics charge big money for, but they'll never explain why it's actually your fault. Secret number 8. Spark plugs and ignition coils. The repair shops love because most drivers wait too long. Shops make serious money off neglected spark plugs. Labor. Markup on parts. Diagnostic fees for a misfire that shouldn't have happened. Modern iridium and platinum plugs are rated for 120,000 miles. I replace mine at 100,000. Every time. No exceptions. Why? Because worn plugs widen the gap and force ignition coils to work overtime. Coils burn out, and coils cost 5 to 10 times more than plugs. Tested this on a 2016 Ford F-150 with 98,000 miles. Old plugs showed gaps 40% wider than spec. Engine was misfiring under load, fuel economy down 3 mpg. New plugs. Smooth power. Fuel economy restored in 2 tanks. This is a job most people can do themselves in an afternoon. Mechanics know that. That's exactly why they don't volunteer the information. Number 7 is hiding underneath your car, and it's quietly making every system above it worse. Secret number 7. Suspension. Bushings and control arms, the silent rot that ages your car 10 years overnight. Your car can have perfectly good shocks and still ride terribly. The culprit? Blown bushings. Rubber bushings hold your entire suspension tight. By 100,000, they're cracked, collapsed, or completely gone. Most drivers just think their car drives old now. It's not age. It's rubber that costs less than $50 a set. When bushings fail, tires wear unevenly, alignment drifts, and steering gets vague. You're paying for alignments every few months and never fixing the real problem. Get under the car, grab a flashlight. Check every control arm, sway bar link, and trailing arm. Visible cracks or missing chunks, replace immediately. Fix this and your car feels like it just came off the lot. And number 6 is one people skip for years, until the day their brakes suddenly feel wrong. Secret. Number 6. Brake fluid. Flush the invisible danger inside your brake lines. Right now, brake fluid absorbs moisture over time. By 100,000 miles, most cars are running fluid that's been in there since the factory. Moisture-contaminated fluid lowers the boiling point dramatically. Hard braking on the highway? That fluid can vaporize. Vapor in your brake lines means soft pedal, or no pedal. I recommend flushing every 2 years or 30,000 miles. At 100,000, if it's never been done, it's non-negotiable. A subscriber in Texas, 2015, Chevy Silverado, 107,000 miles. Complained of a spongy pedal that came and went. Flushed the brake fluid. Replaced one seized caliper. Pedal firm. Problem gone. Total cost under $120. A brake system failure on the highway could have cost everything. Fresh fluid equals confident, safe stops. Every time. Number 5 is something that happens inside your engine every day, and most people have no idea it's happening. Secret number 5, PCV valve and crankcase ventilation. The $8 valve that can destroy a $6,000 engine. The PCV valve is invisible, ignored, and incredibly important. When it clogs, pressure builds inside your engine. That pressure forces oil into places it was never meant to go: intake manifolds, spark plug wells, your entire top end. Suddenly, your car burns oil, fails emissions, and misfires, all from an $8 part. Check it every 20,000 miles. Replace it by 50,000. Shake the old valve. It rattles freely, it may still be good. Stuck or sludge-coated? Way overdue. Don't forget the hoses. Cracked or soft hoses kill the whole system. Number 4 deals with something most drivers feel but never diagnose correctly. Secret number 4, engine and transmission mounts, the vibration. Your shop keeps blaming on everything else. Feel a vibration at idle. Rough shifts? Clunking over bumps? Shops will sell you new tires, new rotors, new shocks. But worn engine and transmission mounts cause all of these symptoms, and more. By 100,000, the rubber inside most mounts is cooked. Heat, oil contamination, and years of engine torque eat them alive. Bad mounts stress the transmission, crack exhaust components, and cause real drivetrain damage over time. Test is simple. Pry gently against mount with a bar. Engine lifts more than a ½ inch. Mount is gone. Hydraulic mounts. Look for fluid leaks. That's an instant replacement. Fix the mounts. Fix the vibration. Protect everything downstream. Number 3 is the one that mechanics dread telling you about because the labor bill is high, but the consequences of ignoring it are catastrophic. Secret number 3, timing belt, tensioner, and idler pulleys. One snap. One tow truck. One engine you might never recover. If your car runs a timing belt, not a chain, this is the most critical item on this list. One snap at highway speed and you lose everything instantly. Power steering, alternator, AC. Sometimes the entire engine. Manufacturers say 90,000 to 105,000 miles. I say, at 100,000, don't wait another day. Replace the belt, replace the tensioner, replace every idler pulley. If the water pump is accessible from the same cover, do it at the same time. Labor is already open. Adding the pump costs almost nothing extra. Spin every pulley by hand before buttoning it up. Any roughness, grinding, or wobble, replace it immediately. This is one job where cutting corners costs you an engine. Number 2 is the fluid. Almost nobody ever changes until the grinding starts. Secret number 2, transmission fluid and filter service. The $150 service that prevents $3,500. Rebuild. Most people change their engine oil religiously. Transmission fluid, they've never touched it. By 100,000 miles, that fluid is dark, contaminated, and full of metallic debris. It stops lubricating. It stops cooling. It just circulates damage. Automatics need fresh fluid and a new filter. Manuals need fresh gear oil, or the synchros start grinding on every shift. A proper transmission service at 100,000 can double the life of the unit. Skip it, and you're gambling with a $3,500 rebuild. The choice is obvious. The cost is not. And number one, this is the one mechanics keep completely quiet about. It costs almost nothing, but it's the single biggest reason some cars outlive two owners while others die at 130,000. Secret number one, differential and transfer. Case fluid, the number one silent killer of high mileage vehicles. Nobody talks about this one. Not dealerships, not quick lube shops, not your mechanic. Because if you knew how simple and cheap it was, you'd do it yourself and never need them. Your differential and transfer case are packed with gears and bearings running in gear oil 24 hours a day. By 100,000 miles, that oil is black, contaminated, and barely protecting anything. Ignore it, and you'll hear whining at highway speed. Ignore it longer, and the entire unit fails. Differential replacement, $1,500 to $3,000. Transfer case, $2,000 to $4,500. Fluid change, under $40. Done in 30 minutes. Some manufacturers stamp sealed for life on the unit. As a mechanic, I'll tell you straight, lifetime means until it fails. There is no such thing as fluid that lasts forever under real-world conditions. Drain it at 100,000. Refill with the correct spec fluid. Done. This single step is what separates the cars that hit 250,000 miles from the ones that don't make it to 150,000. 100,000 miles is not a finish line. It's a test. The cars that pass it aren't the most expensive ones. They're the ones whose owners knew what to do, and did it. 10 simple things. Most under $100. All of them ignored by most drivers. None of them on your shop invoice. Now you know what mechanics do to their own cars. Do the same. Your car will thank you for the next 100,000 miles. Next up, watch the video on screen right now. You'll want to see this one.